This definitely gonna pick up on the rain, so I'm gonna keep this quick. I love the rain. I love the rain. I love when the seasons change and you're moving into a new section of life, a new chapter, and you get to see the change and the weather around you. When it's snowing and when it's sunny and then it's raining, and I just love the rain. Like I feel like a child. Like I feel like I could go grab my boots and just jump in the rain. And honestly, that's all I want to say is I love the rain. I know usually like I'm trying to be like introspectual and however you pronounce that word and shit like that, but I really just came out here to say I love the rain. I'm trying to keep it short and sweet. I love y'all as much as I love the rain. Okay.